This is chapter 5 and 6, number 2. The question states, a local university reports that 15% of their students take their general education course on a pass or fail basis. Assume that 15 students are registered for a general education course. A. What is the expected number of students who are registered on a pass or fail basis? So this is just asking what is 15% of 15. And so you do 0.15 times 15 and get 2 point, sorry, what's my calculator? And get 2.25. So you do 0.15 times 15, and that's how you find 15% of 15. So then the next question asks, what is the probability that exactly 5 are registered on a pass or fail basis? And this one we have to use a binomial formula in the calculator, and how you get it is by pressing second and right there vars, and then you go down, and these two are the ones that we want. Binomial PDF is whenever it's asking for an exact number. So since this one is exactly 5, we're going to use this one. But the next one is more than 4, so we're going to do the CDF, because one is asking for an exact and one is asking from 4 and above. So we're going to do binomial PDF and put in 15 for the trials. There are trials, P, the probability, and X is the value. So 0.15 probability, and X is 5. And then you would find that number by hitting enter, 0.04489, which you could round to 0.0449. So question C asks, what is the probability that more than 4 are registered on a pass or fail basis? So since it's, whenever you find the binomial CDF, you are finding a less than value. And to find the more than value, you would have to minus by 1 to get the opposite. And so we can start off by saying 1 minus second. Sorry, I'll clear that out. So we'll do 1 minus second vars, go down to binomial CDF, enter, and then for trials will still be 15, P is still 0.15, but the X value is 4 now, because it's asking more than 4, and we minus by 1 because it's asking more than and not less than. The CDF will give you the less than value. So we enter that, and we get 0.0617, and that's how you would find that one. And then the next one asks, what is the probability that less than 2 are registered on a pass or fail basis? So less than 2 is 1. So what you would do is, because it's asking you less than 2, is asking you for 1 and on. So what you would do is just do the same thing. 0.15. Trials is 15, P is 0.15, and the X value is now 1, because it's asking less than 2, and that's 1. And then you would do that, and it's 0.31858, and you could round that to 0.3186.